Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RuDynasty, and I'm back again with another video. So today I am collaborating with UNiceHair, and they sent me this wig which I'm going to use on my sister as a model. They sent me this highlighted wig. It's a 4x4 lace closure with a fake scalp as well, and this is 24 inches. You can see in the box comes a wig cap and a headscarf. I really love this hair. I love doing this hair on my sister. It was so vibrant, it was so beautiful. I actually installed this wig without using lace glue. I used got2b glue, and this is the first time in like 3 years, but stay tuned. So the first step is to clean your client's forehead, or your model or yourself. Clean the forehead and make sure it gets rid of any makeup that you might have, any residue, any oils that your pores might have had, any, like, you know, dead skin, that kind of thing, anything that can prevent you from the hair to lay in properly. That makes sense. So after that, I'm going to take a skin protect, and this is the protect hair head from any like harsh chemicals that the freeze spray or the lace glue in your case may have. This is also good for sensitive skin as well. Once that dries, I'm gonna then position the hair the way I want it to lay on her head, and as soon as that is done and she's okay with that, I will go ahead with the rest. For this next section, all I start to do, the first thing I do is to take away the little tab things at the side. This just makes the hair better, lays better, instead of it poking out of the hair. That's just my preference. I don't know what you do or other people do. This is just the technique that I do. As when I'm finished doing that, I'm then gonna spray the freeze spray, which is the got2b, on her head. Some people like to spray it before they put the wig on. I spray it on top of the lace, which holds better. That's just my opinion. But once that's done, I will wrap the hair around with the headscarf that was provided in the box and leave that to lay for a good 5 to 10 minutes and come back with the straightened look. Once the headscarf has been put in place, I'm then going to start the straightening process, and this process is fairly easy. You should know how to straighten hair. If you don't, that's something you need to learn. This video is not going to be that detailed in the fact that I'll teach you how to do it. Maybe in the next video I'll teach you how to straighten and curl. I'm going to speed up some bits and leave some areas in real time, which means not sped up. decided to finish the hair and the rest of the straightening off camera, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was the bomb diggity. I don't know if anyone says that anymore, but this hair was really beautiful. I loved it, man. She loved it. Now I'm just going ahead with my root spray, and this is just to darken up the roots a little bit. Per se, it's actually what I use this for is to get a correct center line for her hair. You see what I mean when I finish doing it. But I'm a bit ghetto. I'm using a spoolie to make the line of demarcation. Don't watch me. Normally I would use a comb, like a rat tail comb, but I don't know where that went. So this is what I am, using. But as you can see, it kind of did what I wanted it to do. And I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and I'm gonna make that part more visible. So this is how it looks with the concealer added. I really do love this hair. Like, oh my god, it suits her so well. Well, it does because she's my twin anyway, but yeah, this is the finished look. Look how well it blends into her scalp. Like, what lace guys. This was very, 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 very beautiful to work with. I really love this company. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and let your friends know that I'll be back with more videos.